feels like I have been trying to learn big spins forever. I can do them, but they look terrible. Basically have been trying to do big spins properly, that I could not do it on my own. I just could not manage to do it. So I had to get help from somebody else, and that's basically what this video is. Throughout the course of this video, I'm basically gonna check in with you guys, let you guys know my thoughts on the current situation, like where I'm at, and that certain part of the video. Okay, so the moment I saw Dylan do a big spin, I was just like, wait, I'm having trouble with that trick. I think he can actually teach me to do it.
The way that I've always done them is put my front foot like right there and just keep it square in the middle. My back foot right here, where my big toe right by the back bolts. And just, I don't know, I squat down and my front shoulder is behind my front knee so that when I make that turn, I can get the full rotation instead of just, you know, kind of halfway doing it.
Yeah.
So it'll go more like...
Damn, dude, that shit was so good.
If you do them like that, you can kind of take them anywhere. Gives you the time to really pop them and feel out the spin on it,
Right.
especially on banks and downstairs, because you don't want it to just kind of roll on the ground,
Right.
or just kind of float.
Because it could kind of be everywhere.
Right, exactly. You want to get a solid stomp as you catch it.
Right.
And when I scoop them, because it's a combination of scooping and popping, when I do it, it kind of goes forward, that scoop motion as I get that popping forward motion, so it'll kind of get off the ground a little bit more. At certain spots, you can kind of, if you pull your foot just a little further back, sometimes you can get a little extra height with it.
Okay, all right, more leverage.
A little bit of practice to really get that going.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's pretty much the most simple way that I can get that trick down.
Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, I feel it in here popping now. Yeah.
So this attempt right here actually scared me. I do this a lot to where I'll be trying a trick for hours. I'll get frustrated, I'll quit, I'll give up, or I'll get scared. This time I ended up getting scared and I gave up on the trick, and I should have really just kept going. What happens to me is way worse than the actual attempt of trying the trick. So I should have just kept pushing through it and trying to do the trick anyways. Like, I would put money down right now that I would have gotten less hurt if I would have just went ahead and just kept trying my trick and taking my time to learn it, maybe talk to Dylan a couple more times, and it would have been a lot easier on me. So after I got hurt, I had to like sit down somewhere, put my brace on, make sure it was tied up real tight. And then after that, I just kind of filmed Dylan, got some extra clips of him.
There we go. You like that one? 60. Ooh. Oh, damn. Ooh. I mean, maybe it would help.
I like the last one better.
You tie your feet to the
Yeah, there it is. You didn't like that? What?
I don't know how that works.
That shit was tight though.
Thank you.
Damn, man. That looked better. I'm gonna be honest with you. That looked better than the ones that you were trying.
It felt.
And I thought the other ones that you were trying was like, man, that's just gonna be so clean. But it's.
It felt a lot better than the other ones because I just kept putting a little too much into it. I think.
I see what you mean. Kind of like when you were talking about the Bigspin, putting too much into it instead of kind of letting it do what it does.
Right.
Yeah.
And just like making your feet do the motions and just letting the board do the rest.
Right. Right. Okay, that was tight. You didn't like that one? That shit was weird, but it was tight. Bro, that shit was clean. Did you like that one? You didn't like that one? So for these next couple clips, Dylan basically does a bunch of big spins for us. Even though he doesn't get a bunch of these, he still like has and keeps proper form. So if you're really looking at these, like that one right there, it can teach you how to do the trick. Now for these attempts, Dylan was like really being hard on himself. Because I don't think anybody who, like people who even already know how to do the trick, they would still have a hard time doing this. Because look, he's coming basically from a full part of the hip and going into like a half cut off hip. So you're basically gapping into it, especially with the way he's doing it. So you're gonna have to be able to like dodge the curb that's on top of the bank up there. Like if you're doing big spins the way I was doing them, basically scooting them across the ground, you would not be able to do a big spin on this bank the way he's doing it. You would definitely get broke off.
Alright, you know what? Fuck it, I'm doing it down to 6.
He basically kind of got frustrated and was like, nah, I'm gonna force myself to do this off of the stair set, which I didn't think was a good idea, but you know, he's the one who can actually big spin. So think I'm gonna argue with him? I'm not. Next try, big dog. You got it. Oh, you ain't gotta do it on that, bro. You can, you can like literally do a couple flat and go back to doing it on the little hip right there, bro. I think he said he either had a hip injury or a back injury. I'm not sure of which. This was like months ago. He ended up hurting himself. He was still trying to hook the big spin down the set, like even though he was hurt, but he was still almost getting it. Like those tries that he landed on that he almost got, like he could have gotten those. All right, so I'm back up here at the OB park. I'm trying to get a session in, keep it light today. My ankle, I know it hasn't fully healed. 100% know that.
Okay, took me forever. Finally did one that was right. Now I just gotta land it.
All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Those are my attempts at trying to actually properly learn how to big spin. If you guys enjoyed this content and you found value from it, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, and also like subscribe is over here, okay? And then right up here is gonna be another video kind of like this one, little playlist of those, and then a playlist of some recent shoe reviews, specifically my New Balance ones. So peace. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you. And thanks for all the recent subs and views. You guys are great. Peace.